97 Chevy Silverado 1500. Still got all the stock converters right there, right there. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body muffler and a 2.5-inch tailpipe right there. Let you guys hear it. They come true dual from the factory right there. The customer didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so we wired it back into one with the muffler. Let you guys hear it in a minute. 1998 Chevy 1500 Silverado. What we got done on this beautiful thing. Still got the stock catalytic converters. It comes factory dual, true dual, all the way back. And we continued that process with a FLOWMASTER Super 10. You can find the link in the description if you want to purchase one. Into 2.25 tailpipes, and then into 3.5-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. You can barely hear it. It breaks in after 30 days, a little bit more. Oh. That always makes me feel good. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments if you like this sound, because I sure do. Let you guys hear on the inside.